Hello everyone, we have a new Mickey Monthly box. It's our third one. And the box looks a little different. It's not designed like the other ones. It's just a plain cardboard box. What do you think that is?
I don't know. It's not as pretty, but we do still have a little tag there, a little sticker. So we'll see.
The only difference this time between with this box compared to the other boxes is that this box, I did go into the settings of my account and change it to, I changed the date range to 18 plus. The last two boxes, I realized during the last box opening that it was set to no age specific range. So I kind of complained a little bit about some of the items we got in the last box.
Just a little.
So I did explain that in the last video. So if you want to see the last video, you should see a link on the screen here or at the end of this video or in the description box. This is the 18 plus box, so maybe that's why. Maybe the design box is for people who it might be kids opening it or something, I don't know.
The packaging from the other two is a little more kid friendly.
Go ahead and open it.
Cool.
A couple of cards. All right, the packaging looks the same. It's still got the same white filler, shredded pieces of paper cut up.
A mess.
All right, so you want to take it out?
So here we have a DioCandleCompany.com. Very adorable size candle is what it's called. Each very adorable size candle burns for 30 to 50 hours. Made by hand over 1 mile in the sky from Denver, Colorado.
So that's actually usable. We like candles.
Yeah.
So that's much better than the last box already.
My initial thought was, what does that have to do with Disney? But you open it up and it says Aloha Isle. I guess Aloha Isle is the scent. Pineapple ice cream. It's inspired by the pineapple ice cream treat from the most magical place on earth. So it's gonna be.
Speaking of.
Yes.
We just got back from Disney World last week.
2 weeks ago. We were there 2 weeks ago.
We were actually there whenever we're recording this video. It's March 2020. The end of the month, and it's at the height of the coronavirus stuff going on. So quarantines everywhere.
27th, actually.
It's the 27th of March.
Yeah.
Right now, I said end of March.
Oh, you just said the 20th.
No, I don't know what I said. But we were at Disney World in Orlando when they announced all the closures. Disney World's closing down. Mm-hmm. So, but while we were there, just a side note, we were at Epcot Center, and I got the Dole Whip with pineapple Fanta, and it was like my favorite.
So they can't say, I guess, that it's named after the Dole Whip, so because it's an outside company, but obviously that's what they're hinting to. Creamy vanilla pineapple blend, truly delightful, citrusy and sweet.
To me, it smells just like Dole Whip.
Does it?
I think it does.
Ooh, it does.
That's kind of neat.
That's kind of neat.
I like that. Soy candle, 100% soy. So that's actually usable.
I love that. So
we burn a lot of candles, so.
We do, and there's nothing better than your house smelling like Disney.
What we have here.
I wouldn't call this 18 or older, except that it brings back memories, because that's like one of the pens I used to have like in childhood. Normally I would not say this is like an 18 or older gift. It's a personalized Frozen 2 pen. However, like again, that's just like bringing up great memories of my childhood. It has like the little colors that you push down around the top. So
I still don't see how that's 18 or older, but
you know what? Our girls will love that, and again, it's a little nostalgic for us. What do we have here?
What is it, salt and pepper shakers?
Aww.
Minnie and Mickey salt and pepper shakers.
Telling you what, we had the spatula and slotted spoon last time. If I ever wanted to do a Disney-inspired kitchen, now would be the time. So those are actually really cute though. Salt and pepper shaker, Disney brand. You've got Mickey for the pepper and Minnie for the salt. Those are cute. They're glass, looks like, maybe porcelain. So
I don't see us keeping those out on the table though.
Probably not, but you know what? It's always good to have little extras in the cabinet for what you need.
I don't see any prices on these, but anyway.
Was that it?
The knife I used to open the box.
Oh, here we go. Now this is actually great. This is a Loungefly little wallet purse.
Loungefly, is that a particular brand?
Yeah, that's who does. If you're familiar with Disney, Loungefly is one of the brands that does a lot of the Disney purses, backpacks, all of the Minnie Mouse main attraction collection stuff. They'll have like book bags or fanny packs. They're all done by Loungefly. So this is actually, I actually love that. So it's just a little Mickey Mouse design, like little coin purse. So got a little stitch on the inside. And I'm always using stuff like this, whether it be for stuff in my purse or makeup brushes. That's a good one for me. I like that.
So, I mean, so that's 4 items total. That's the last thing in the box. I mean, I'm not, like I mentioned in the first Mickey Monthly box that we opened, I'm not into the Disney stuff, so these things are for her. But I do like the smell of the candle, although it is quite small. But I think that it's much better with the 18+ age range for us on this particular box. I did mention just a minute ago we are in the middle of the coronavirus outbreak. So for now, temporarily, we have suspended our account just because of all the uncertainty about everything financially and stuff like that. So whether we come back to Mickey Monthly once we start this back up, I don't know. We'll either try this one again or we'll try another type of Disney box, so we'll see. So what do you think overall?
I mean, it's good. I mean, I don't know. Again, it's going to be hit or miss for most people. I love the candle. I love the Loungefly purse. And again, I think the pin's cute. And maybe I can come up with something fun for those. So in the office. So, I mean, they're good quality items, I think. Even the pin is a nice pin, so.
All right, well, I guess that about wraps it up. We did release 2 or 3 videos while we were in Disney World, so if you'd like to see those, check out our YouTube channel, look in the videos, and you'll see them there. Other than that, that's going to be it for now. Did I already say that?
I don't know.
So anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we appreciate you checking it out. Please consider subscribing and looking at our other videos, and we'll see you next time. Oh, and check out our Instagram page, a link in the description. We'll see you next time. Bye.
See ya.